What's up, GOAT family? We're going to have a wonderful day today. Today, I'm going to be going over how to set up your brokerage connection with Tradovate to GOAT AutoPilot. So first things first, what we're going to do is go into Brokers here inside the left-hand side menu. Go to Brokers, add your first broker here. I'm going to scroll down past the Project X, go to Traditional Brokers, add this. I'm going to copy all my accounts over. So I'm going to be using Apex as an example here. There we go. Paste there, hit save. I'm going to turn inactive to active. There we go. Hit launch. There we go. Voila. Launch the simulated trading. All right. So we have the account here. It automatically hides. I can hit show. Bam. All right. The account is shown right here. So what I'm going to go over is now we're going to create a strategy. So now everything's set up and everything like that. I'm going to turn off copy trading. I don't need that on yet. In the next video, I'll show you guys how to set up copy trading for Tradovate and the group trading and everything, the difference between the two and within the strategies. All right, make sure your layout is exactly like this, okay? Exactly like this. Now I'm gonna go over to strategies. I'm gonna add a strategy here and name this a test. Tradovate. And there we go. Select the broker, Tradovate here. Select the account. So if you're using API only, okay, you want to select the specific account you want to execute towards. If you're group trading, in the next video I'll show you how to set it up, is you select this and it'll basically grab the accounts that are grouped together. You don't even need to enable it in here. You do not need to enable it at all. All you need to do is just have it created and that's it. But in the next video I can show you how to do that. So I'm going to select one account. I'm going to do the 39 here. I'm going to select the contract. So in API only, you can select the contract to execute towards for your automation. So automatically basically execute behind the scenes to your specific contract. So I have MNQ here, but I'm going to set it to MGC while this chart has MNQ set on there. So I'm going to do that, MGC. And I'm going to set the number of contract I want to do. I'm going to do 3 here. 3. Then create the strategy. There we go. Turn it on. Voila. All right, it's all turned on now. I'm going to go signal tests. I'm going to flatten all. Everything's all flattened. Okay, let's go. There we go. And I'm going to execute test signal.
Order filled.
There we go. We have a text signal on MGC, as you can see. So it's not even on NQ chart. So we have to go to MGC chart here to see our executes on MGC. Oh, it's wrong account. There we go. So this is our MGC right here. Voila, 3 contracts on MGC. So if you change to MNQ, see, it doesn't pop up right there. So it's behind the scenes execution for that. So which is really neat. And then all you gotta do, if you go position tracking, you see your position, how much you're up and down for the day for that account and everything like that. But I'm gonna flatten these position right here.
Order filled.
There we go. We just had a position already flattened. So that's the total P&L on the account. It is actually down. So yeah, so it grabs the P&L and everything like that. So it's pretty good. So that's basically our API execution for that. Now, if you want to do DOM only, which is basically band safe, it's mimics human interaction and everything like that. But you want to execute to MGC, you have to make sure that you set up your MGC-Z contract here. Okay. If you do not set it here, it's not going to execute to MGC. I'm going to show 2 examples, okay? So remember, we're trying to execute to MGC Z5 here, 3 contracts as well. Update the strategy, so it's on DOM only. Go signal test. All right, I'm going to execute test signal.
Order filled.
There we go. Test signal came in. Then I'm going to exit the position.
Order filled.
There we go. The position has been exited. So now I'm going to go strategies. All right, so we're set the MGC as our default contract. So I'm going to switch to MNQZ5. And I go signal test. Since we're doing DOM only, it's going to execute to MNQZ because we wanted MGC, but it's not going to execute to MGC at all. Because the reason why, it's only executing on the DOM right here, not the back end of Tradovate itself. So if I do here,
order filled.
See, there we go, execute on MNQZ. So goes to show you, if you're using DOM only, please make sure that you set up the right contract in here and everything. Make sure you have the precise number of basically of contracts as well, but automatically puts it in there for you. And then I can flatten the position.
Order filled.
There we go, flattens for me as well. So yeah, that's basically how it works. That's how you set up basically Tradovate. You can also do the DOM fallback here. So you can do API and the fallback in case API fails. But just make sure you set up the right contract within here for the DOM fallback to fall back onto here. But yeah, that's basically it, how to set up GOAT AutoPilot and Tradovate together, connecting them. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out on Discord. I'll be happy to assist you guys. Catch you guys in the next video on how to set up copy trading for Tradovate itself. See ya. Peace.